Hello everybody from my kitchen! If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So, I had some requests to do this video and I'm so excited. I'm going to be baking a cake with you guys. Sounds easy enough, right? No. This is a cake from the icing artist. I love her channel. I love watching her do all kinds of crazy, different, unique things with cakes. And so one of them is a Lego Batman cake. So of course, you know, I have two boys and they love Legos and they love Batman. So why not make them this cake? So we are going to do it together. So if that's something that would interest you, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so already I have my pans nice and greased up. And the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to make the bat symbols. This is gonna be fun. So this is the cake mix I will be using. Delicious Wicked White cake mix. This is from Fred Meyer. Okay, so here is my mixer and we're gonna make this cake together. So one thing about this one is this cake is all white, but Batman's bat symbol is not white. 1 cup of water. Something that's really cool about this mixer, now we have a hand mixer. Okay, like I said, Batman's bat symbol is not white. So, let's fix that. I have some icing color right here that is in the shade black, and we will be adding that to our cake batter to change the color. Get that baby whirling. Alrighty, that's more like it. Perfect. Now we're gonna dump that into our greased pan. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And we're gonna pop that in there for about 20 minutes and then we'll check on it. Yeah, we definitely had to use quite a bit of dye to get that as black as I wanted it to. Alrighty, I'm going to throw that in, wash up some dishes, and then we'll head on to our next cake. Okay, next, while we have our bat symbols cooking away in the oven, our cake out of the oven, I'm going to do a quick poke test on it, make sure it's cooked all the way through. Looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to allow that to cool. And the icing artist said that it would be best to put it in the freezer for a little bit before we take the bat symbol and push out the bat symbols. So I'm going to let that cool. Okay, so I'm totally going to have to figure out what to do with that black cake for the bat symbols. I went to go and flip it and onto a cutting board so I could stick it in the freezer, and it ripped. So we're going to try to salvage that, and now we're going to make our yummy yellow cake mix right here. Yummy, yummy, yummy cake mix. Yummy, yummy, yummy cake mix. Got all over me. I am making literally the biggest disaster ever Oh my gosh. So much fun. 1 cup of water. 1/3 cup vegetable oil for this one. 3 eggs. You better call me out down in them comments if you see any shell bone in here. Okay, and then for this one, because we're piping this cake batter, we have to add flour to this as it's mixing to thicken it up a little bit. Yeah, we definitely need some more flour. Perfect. That looks good to me. Here is our black Batman cake. It cracked right here. So, we will work with it. Here is our bat symbol. So perfect, so satisfying. Oh my gosh, absolutely wonderful. It's a little thick right there. Okay, we've got to keep our bat ears. Okay, there is the 8 bat symbols that the icing artist said we would need, but we have more just in case. We need to put this batter into a piping bag. This is a reusable piping bag. I love it so much. Oh, I would also like to let you guys know I am in no way, shape, or form a professional, nor do I claim to be. This is just for fun and entertainment. Okay. Let's do it. First, I'm going to fill the bottom of this with cake batter and give our bats a nice little base to stick into. So we're going to take 2 bats at a time, and then we are going to flip them upside down. I had a little bit of a feeling we were going to need more bats. Maybe just 1 more for good measures. There we go. So delicious. Now we're going to continue filling the cake in between the lines. We want every little nook and cranny to be filled. Let's take the last little bit of this cake right here. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. There we go. There is our cake. We are going to place it into the oven for about 35 minutes and then we'll check it. Okay, so now that the cake is almost done cooking, we're going to roll out some fondant. So I decided to switch up the icing artist's design a little bit. And I'm going to take some black fondant and I'm going to put 2 bat symbols on each side of the cake. Which the cake is a yellow Lego block. So our Lego block is going to have bat symbols on it. I have literally never tried fondant before. Like, I've never ate it. Or even, I've never done anything ever with fondant in my whole entire life. So this should be interesting. Gracious, that's going to stain my counter, isn't it? Well, that's not good. Okay, so we have our 2 bat symbols. Okay, so I hope to God this doesn't stain, but here is our fondant bat symbols. That will look so cute on the side of our Lego. So I did check on the cake, and it is not ready yet. It needs longer to cook, so I turned down the temperature a little bit so we don't get it too crispy on the outside. And I put the timer on for another 15 minutes. So we will check on that again. Now, let's roll out our yellow fondant. And I'm actually going to clean this off really quick so that way we don't get any black on our yellow fondant. That came off very easily. Little dance session there for you. Okay, so we're going to use this yellow fondant right here. This fondant looks like a big old brick of cheese. Okay, it says to knead it, so I'm going to knead it and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go, nice and kneaded out. It started out like old Play-Doh, and now it is sticky and a lot more pliable. I am going to take some powdered sugar and put it on my surface because it's sticking quite a bit. And I don't want to put flour on my surface because I feel like it would make my fondant taste gross. I do really want to see what fondant tastes like though. I mean, I guess it just tastes like marshmallows. Okay. I'm going to kind of start this out by pushing down on it. Let's get to rolling. Who would have ever thought rolling out fondant would be such a workout? I'm literally sweating. Like, literally sweating. I had to start over because it ripped. So here is try number 2. Our cake is out of the oven, cooling. So, check back in with you in a minute. Okay, you guys, we are almost done. I tell you what, I have mad respect for any cake decorator out there. This was hard. Alright, I'm going to finish up the little Lego nubbins and I will reveal the finished product. See you soon. Alright, you guys, so there is the finished cake. Is it perfect? Heck no. No, not even in the slightest. We're going to cut into this and reveal the inside. I did want to apologize. I couldn't get a hold of Lego Batman's agent, so I guess we'll just have to cut this alone. Hey! I can step in for Lego Batman. I can step in for him. Let me help you cut it. Oh, okay, Batman. You're not Lego Batman, so who are you? I'm Squishy Batman. What do you mean you're squishy? Hey-ya! I'm Squishy Batman! I've been in the kitchen for a long time today, okay? Give me a break. Alright, you guys. So here's the finished product. It is in no way, shape, or form perfect in any way. I am definitely have mad respect for all of those professional cake makers out there, but That was really fun to make. So, are you guys ready? You ready for the final reveal? Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, you guys! Look at that! Yes! Yes! Oh, it worked! Oh, it's beautiful! Oh my god, I love it! Oh, that is so wonderful! Oh yeah. Wow, I had so much fun creating this video with you guys. I have one heck of a mess to clean up, but it was so worth it. Like, it turned out so absolutely wonderful. Wow. I love it. Alrighty, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in my kitchen. It was a blast. I had fun doing this, kind of new video for you guys. Let me know down below what you guys thought about it. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And until next time, bye.